Good evening, students. Welcome again to your own channel, Learning with Fun. Students, today's topic is animation and transition effects on a slide. I hope you all are safe at your place. So let's begin the topic. Applying transition effects. Slideshows can be enhanced by using transition and animation. We can say slideshows can be enhanced means it is attractive by using transition and animation. And slide transitions are the visual movements as one slide changes to another. Animations are the movements of the object on the slide. Slide transition. Slide transition is the effect on a slide. It can be seen during the slide show. In this, the current slide changes to the next slide, that is called transition. To apply transition effect, go to the animation menu, click on the down arrow and select the desired transition. To apply common transition on each slide, click on apply to all button and that transition will appear on applied on all the slides. And to preview that, you can click on the preview to view the slide transition. Transition sounds are sounds which are played during the transition from the current slide to the next slide. Means when the slide changes from current to the next one, there is a sound, and then there are the steps how we give the sound. To add sound, go to the animations menu and click on the drop down arrow of transition sound to choose the desired sound type. From here you can select the desired sound type. Follow the steps to apply animation effects. Select the object, go to the animation menu, then click on custom animation. The custom animation task pane will appear. Now click on the add effect button, then select the mode of animation, then select the desired animation style. The numbering on the objects on the pane will is the list of the animation. The animation objects will be appear. Then click on the play or slide show to view the effects that you have given to the objects. In the same way, we can also apply if animation effects on images too. We can also apply animation on the various shapes. You can see a star shape is over there, and we have taken a select the effect of spin. Click on the play or slideshow to view the animation that you have applied on the object. You can see the animations. Custom animations are of 4 types. And that is entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths. The appearance style of an object can be changed. That may be fast, slow, medium, or very fast. So these are the ways by which we can get animation and transition on slides. Students, I hope you are able to understand this topic. Students, keep yourself safe, stay at home. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. God bless you.